What is that smell? That smells good. That doesn't. Steve. Yes. Hi guys. Hi. Today's video is
the first installment of our moving vlog.
Yeah. We're moving. Well, yeah, we're moving today. We got to go to the bank to square some things away, and then we're gonna go. Yes, God.
Square some things up.
All right.
English. And hang these up.
You want me to stop? You got something you gotta get off your chest? Period. Anyways, today we're moving. We're going to the bank in a little bit, and we decided to vlog to take y'all with us. And
so far we have cleaned up the apartment because we're gonna do our apartment tour today because we're moving. We're gonna film an empty apartment tour, God willing. And then we're gonna start getting our Christmas things set up at the new place. Aren't you excited?
I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh my gosh, Nina. Christmas is around the corner. It's next week.
We're not taking them down till mid-January.
We still need to get it before Christmas.
Calm down, sir.
I don't know why you playing games, man. We putting up the decorations. That's what we're doing. Come on. Stop.
Here's my outfit. I'm wearing an Olive Garden shirt, my lanyard with my keys on there. I have my leggings that have pockets on them. I don't think you
Most
can see.
ladies have pockets, yeah.
So
You keep saying it like it's like.
I got my Victoria's Secret pink slides on. Don't look at that toenail. It needs to be cut. Wow. They need to just be done. So yeah.
Alright, so first stop, we gotta go to my place of business and get my pay stubs. And then we're gonna go to the bank and get the cashier's check to give to the apartment complex so that we can move in today.
Woo!
So hopefully all that works out.
Woo!
Sounds easy, but we gotta go downtown. So
Downtown.
we gotta
Into
drive
the city. It's not a
into
song.
the abyss.
We want to give y'all an apartment tour though.
Don't show them.
Don't show.
It's dark in here now, but we're headed out.
Yeah, it's dark.
Where's my purse? Let's go, girl.
To help out with something.
Honestly, the apartment tour might be up before this video, so you can show. Okay.
All right.
My manager, she made all of us little candy sleighs. I'm trying to get y'all a visual. Edit that out. Basically, the chocolates are the presents, and then these are the sleighs, the candy canes, and then it's sitting on top of a Kit Kat. Isn't that cute?
I was just recent.
Yeah, we made this when I was in high school. This is the dining room. Well, here's the door. Okay.
First off,
the little entryway.
and it has hardwood. It's kind of like our old apartment. So this is similar to where we used to live. We couldn't put a table right here or anything though.
No, it was on the bedroom.
Yeah, but we could put it right there. Okay, so here is the door, and from there
we have the dining room, light fixture. If you'll walk in, we'll go this way.
Yeah, so when you're coming in,
then this is like a little extra like storage closet, I guess. It's got one shelf, but we really are using it for storage because we don't have a one bedroom anymore.
We only use it for storage and like jackets and stuff.
Like heavy jackets.
All right.
Yep, we can turn off the lights as we go. I'm gonna have to get used to it.
From there.
Okay, so here's the kitchen. Okay. So
A glass top stove.
oh look. You haven't had that in so long.
You can wash your hair. If you black, you know.
But okay, here's the pantry. It's smaller. Wait, yeah. Did we have a pantry? We didn't have a pantry.
Well, the pantry
But our
was the
washroom
closet.
was huge.
Not closet. It was the cabinet.
Here's the living room. We got vaulted ceilings because we're on the top floor.
Well, you can show both rooms.
Okay, I'll show y'all the room.
So this one's gonna be my room.
Mm-hmm.
It seems a bit bigger than the other one, but I think this one is.
This is huge.
I think this one is considered the, what is it?
Not the master.
Not the master room.
Which is weird.
I took this side because Zori was feeling some type of way about.
I know, it's
slanted
slanted.
bathroom. But I like how
that.
tiny it is because I don't have that many decorations and it's not gonna take long. So I have 2 pictures and this one right here. And then I'll be done.
We both have walk-in closets.
They're so big, they're the same size. When we were moving, what was really important to us was equal space.
Mm-hmm.
So then you have shelving. I have 1,000 plans for it. I'm so excited.
Okay.
So then coming out,
Across the way is my room.
it's the master.
I know, it's not even a master. Mine's much smaller than
She
hers.
has a little bit of a nook right here.
Yeah,
Where I think she should put her vanity.
I may put my vanity there.
So
Here's my walk-in closet.
Yep. Pretty much the same.
I think yours might be a little bit bigger.
I think you have more shelving than me though. From her bedroom, she also has, I guess, the guest bathroom too, because there's a door to it. So her door is kind of, I was gonna say Jack and Jill, kind of sort of, not really. Oh. Okay. So in here,
It's like a little hallway.
yeah. In here is our washer and dryer. It came with the apartment, and that was something we were looking for. We have a washer and dryer, but our dryer stopped working, so we didn't want to buy one. So it was cool that was included in the rent. Her bathroom. It's a bit bigger than mine, but it's technically
This is,
guest.
I think yours is the master because I got the guest bathroom.
Then coming out, we have this little cute hallway. We might.
We could put a mirror here most likely. I
Yeah.
don't know. Our mirror's kind of big. I don't know.
It's not gonna be that mirror. It's gonna be a different mirror.
a different mirror.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just so, guess, you can see yourself full body, close up if you need it.